Hello, we are excited to introduce Peak Plan Your Play, a leisure activity app designed to bridge the gap between planners and spontaneous explorers. Our mission is to help users discover, book, and share activities that fit their interests, schedules, moods, all in a very secure and intuitive mobile experience. We focused on understanding real user behaviors and frustrations with existing solutions. We've combined this research with UX best practices to define an MVP that prioritizes seamless discovery, booking, and social connection, as well as create the Peak app deliverables. Today, we'll walk you through our process from user research to our information architecture, key user flows, and low fidelity wireframes, showing how Peak will empower users to plan their play effortlessly.
Our goal was to understand how people currently spend their free time, the challenges they face when finding activities, and what features they would expect in a leisure activity app. We used a combination of surveys, interviews, and competitive analysis. Our survey reached 15 respondents across various countries and ages, though the majority fell between 28 and 37 years old. Notably, over 86% preferred indoor activities, and nearly half said they wished they had more time for relaxing or to pursue fun activities on a daily basis. When asked about what their go-to activities would be, it would be binge watching, reading, and gaming were their top choices. Interestingly, 73% expressed interest in using an app to discover local events or hobby clubs, showing strong demand for more curated and social approach to leisure planning. Finally, our research helped us to develop two core user personas and empathy maps. One was Marcus, the casual socializer who craves spontaneous group activities. Two was Olivia, the thoughtful hobbyist who values trust, clear information, and beginner-friendly experiences.
We benchmarked three main competitors: Airbnb Experiences, Meetup, and Eventbrite. We analyzed a range of aspects for each platform, including their visual design, onboarding processes, filtering and search capabilities, booking flows, and approaches to social engagement and trust. For example, Airbnb excels in high-quality, curated experiences and strong visual storytelling design, but often feels that it's geared towards travelers rather than locals. Meetup is great for recurring group activities and interest-based communities, but suffers from a cluttered interface, inconsistent event quality, and disruptive ads. Eventbrite offers a broad marketplace with a solid filtering experience but can feel transactional, lacks personalization, and often forces users to complete purchases on external sites. And these insights helped us develop our MVP strategy. Design with discovery in mind, using visual first cards and personalized feeds. Keep booking seamless and in-app, avoiding the friction of redirects. Leverage social proof and trust, such as host bios and verified reviews. Encourage repeat engagement with saved favorites and mood-based recommendations. We built an information architecture centered around a dynamic homepage with clear pathways to explore, book, and share activities. A standout feature is mood-based filters, which let users discover experiences that match how they feel. We developed 5 key user flows: onboarding with personalization quiz to tailor recommendations from the start, browsing activities with robust filters by category, logistics, and mood, finding saved activities so users can easily revisit options, booking paid activities including payment and calendar integration, accessing purchase tickets, ensuring a smooth experience after checkout. These flows reflect our focus on balancing intuitive navigation with personalization and trust.
We initially created a set of low-fidelity wireframes to visualize the Peak app's core interactions. We started wireframing with the onboarding flow, guiding users through account creation, and an optional personalization quiz to capture their activity preferences and availability. Next, we designed the browsing and filtering wireframe, including a For You page with tailored suggestions, flexible filters by category, logistics, and mood, and options to view activities in a list or on a map. Each card leads to detailed information with booking, saving, and sharing features. We also mapped flows for saving and revisiting activities and for booking activities, covering both free and paid options with clear steps for payment, confirmation, and adding events to a calendar or e-wallet. Finally, we designed how users access purchase tickets, ensuring account holders can retrieve, print, or share them easily. After validating these low-fidelity wireframes based on the user flows, we developed high-fidelity wireframes, working closely together to refine visual design, accessibility, and consistency across screens to prepare for prototyping and the final deliverable product.
In summary, our team has defined a clear MVP, developed detailed information architecture, designed essential user flows, and created both low fidelity and high fidelity wireframes in order to guide the app development. We also built prototypes from the high fidelity designs to showcase key user journeys and demonstrate the usability of the platform. Through this process, we refined visual consistency, improved accessibility, and ensured the experience feels cohesive and intuitive across all devices. Ultimately, Peak empowers users to discover and book leisure activities that feel both personal and effortless, helping them to make the most of their free time. Thank you all for your attention and for joining us as we share the full design journey behind Peak Plan Your Play.